Hello friends, welcome to our website automationcommunity.com. In the last video, we have seen the logic and ladder programming of AutoMain's failure control using PLC. Today we are going to see its HMI designing and also we will do its simulation. So let's start our DOPSoft HMI software from here. We have to click on this new file. For this particular project, we are going to select 800 by 480 resolution screen and from here write the name of your project. Click next button. This page we have to select our communication settings. So in communication we have to select our simulator which we have created in our ComGR software, or you have to select your driver name if you are using your actual PLC that you have created in your ComGR. And now click on finish button. Like this your workspace will open. This is our workspace. Now if you remember, we have used two inputs to PLC to sense whether the main power is available or not, and similarly whether the DG power is available or not. So for that we are going to use buttons which you can insert from here, or right click on the workspace. From here also you can add buttons. So we will select maintain button. Now box like this and double click over it. So first of all we have to write its address. So click over here. This is our X0 input which sends the main power is available or not. So I have written X0 and press enter. Now we will give its image for on condition and off condition. Right now here 0 state is selected, which means off condition. So while the mains power is off, what we want to show here that we have to do settings. So first of all I want to change its background color. So from here you can change its color. I will select white and click OK. So you can see it is white now. Now I will add some text to it. So go to text tab. From here you can format your text. I will increase its size, make it bold and make it red color and click OK. Now for off condition, so I will write in 0. You can see the preview over here. We can also make alignment from here. Right now it is showing properly. Similarly for on state, what we want to show mains is available, mains is on. So for that also we have to select our formatting from here, and for on condition I will select blue color and here I will write. For this particular I want alignment in bottom, so from here I will select align bottom in vertical alignment. So it will appear like this. Let me also reduce its size. Now again go to mains. Now for on condition also change the background color to white, and we also want to give one image to on condition. So go to pictures tab. From here we will select modern power library. We will select this image for power on condition. Click OK. If you can't see symbol properly over here, go to stretch mode and from here select stretch all. Now you can see the symbol is available properly, but our text is overlapping it. So again go to text, select your text, and either we can reduce its size or we can change over here like this. You can see properly. So simply click OK. and you can see our input is created. Similarly, we will create input for DG supply, that whether DG power is available or not. So what we can do, we can repeat this all the steps or simply copy paste this block and change the required items. So I am just selecting it, right click over it and click on copy. Again right click over here, click on paste. So now just drag this, double click over it. First of all, we have to change its address. So I have connected DG input to X1 position. So here I will write X1. Now go to text. In the off condition, here we will write G is off. Similarly, here we will write G is on. Okay. And just click OK. So from here you can see this is the off condition, and if you click on one button, you will see on condition. So while it will be on, it will appear like this. So again come to off position. Now what we want to show the status of contactor, mains contactor and DG contactor. So for that we will go to indicator tab. This shows our output. So click on it, or you can also right click over the workspace, and from here you can select indicator and multi-state indicator. Now draw a box like this, double click over it. First of all, we will write its address. So this Y0. So we will write Y0, which is our mains contactor. Click enter. Now we want to show whether this Y0 is on or off. So first of all, select 0 over here for off condition. In the off condition, we want to show it like red color. So from here foreground color, we will select this image and click OK. Along with it, we also want to show some text. So go to text tab, and from here for 0 condition or off state, write your text. So here I will write. Similarly, we will do these steps for on condition. So from here select 1. Now for on condition, go to mains, and here also we will change its color to green color. So from here I will select this and click OK. Now here also we want to show some text. So again go to text, and in the 1 and at the 1 position we will write text for on condition. So here I will write. You can see the preview over here. We will make it bold. Similarly, in the off condition also we will make it bold. Now click OK. So our output is created. Similarly, we want output for DG contactor. So simply copy paste this block, adjust it like this, and double click over it to change the respective items. So first of all, we will change its address. So DG contactor is connected to Y1 position. So here I have written Y1. Now we need to change its text. So go to text, and for off condition, here we will write contactor is off, and similarly for on condition, here we will write DG contactor is on, and just click OK, and we have created 2 outputs. Similarly, here we want 2 indications for DG start command and DG stop command. So for that, again we will right click over here, and from here select indicator and multi-state indicator. Now draw a box like this, Click over it. This time I want round indicator. So first of all I will change its style from here. Select round. Write its address. So here I want to show whether Dg start command is available or not. So that is my output Y3. So here I will select Y and write 3 and press enter. Now for the off condition I want to show one image. So go to pictures tab and from here select the modern. From here select the modern lamp two-state library. For the off condition we will select this image. Click OK. If the image is not visible properly, go to stretch mode and select stretch all. Now image is available properly. Similarly for on state, we will select one picture. So go to same library modern lamp 2 state and for on condition we will select this image. Click OK. Again go to stretch all and now the output is visible properly and click OK. So what will happen? If the Dg start command is not available, it will appear like this, and if the Dg start command is available, then it will appear like green color. Similarly, here I want one output that if Dg stop command is available, it should appear red. So I will just copy paste this and put it here. Double click over it. First of all, we will change its address. So Dg stop command I have connected to output Y4. So here I have written Y4. Now for the on state, that means when the stop command is available, PLC. So when the PLC gives stop command to Dg, I want this image to be red color. So go to pictures and from here change to red color. Now click OK. So what will happen? If the Dg start command is available, it will appear like this. If the Dg stop command is available, it will appear like this. And if both are off, that means neither the start nor the stop command is available, then it will appear like this. Now we want to show the value of timers for each of these items. As you have remember, in the logic we have used 4 timers. So here I will display the value of 4 timers. So for that, go to data display. From here select numerical display, or you can right click over here and from here also you can select display and numeric display. Now draw a box like this. Adjust it according to your requirement. Now double click over it to format this box. From here we will change its style. You can change its border color. Select any color as per your wish. Click OK. You can also change its background color. Right now I will just select this one and click OK. And again click OK. Now I have used 4 timers. So I will copy paste it 4 times. Adjust it like this. Now, important thing, we need to give address to our data display. So first of all, this is our Dg start command. For this, we have used timer T0. So double click over it and from here select T for timer and write 0 for T0 for Dg start command and press enter and click OK to apply the changes. After the Dg is started, we have to start Dg Contactor. So double click over this. For the DG contactor, we have used timer T1 in our programming. So here I will write T1 and press enter and click OK to apply changes. Now when the mains power will available, we want to switch off these two and on mains contactor. So for this in programming I have used timer T2. So double click over it. From here, select T for timer and write 2 because we have used T2 timer for mains contactor and click enter. Again OK. Now last, when the mains power is available, mains contactor will on and after that DG should stop. So here DG stop command should on. So for this I have used T3 timer. So here I will select T for timer and write 3 and click enter and OK. Now the only thing is remaining to give labels to these items. So for that select a text box, draw a box like this, double click over it, go to text tab and format your text like this. Here I will write OK. Here we can change its alignment and click OK. Copy paste this. Copy paste this for remaining items. Change the respective text by double click over it. Go to text tab. Here we need to write DG stop and that's it. Click OK. Here we have to write this was our timer T2. So here I will write T2 and click OK. Similarly, here it was T1. Double click over it. Go to text tab. Select this and write T0. We can also write our project name over here. You can change its alignment from here also like this. If you want to change its size, double click over it, go to text and from here we can increase its size. And adjust it other elements according to your requirement. So we have designed our HMI screen. Now it's time to do simulation. So first of all open your ladder programming in ISP Soft. I have already kept it open. Now we have to open our ComGR software. From here select your simulator or PLC driver and then click on start button. I have already started it. Now click on compile button to see if there are any errors. Yes, there are no any errors. Now we will click on download button to download code in simulator. So click transfer over here. press close button. Now click on online mode on this button. Click on run button, click yes. So here you can see the simulator is in run state. Go to your Dopsoft HMI and from here click on offline simulation. So you can see our HMI screen is loaded. Let me adjust to this. Right now, let us say that mains power is available. So I will click over here and you can see the mains power is available. So the mains contactor is available. It is first time. So these timers are running. So this is, so we have done some mistake in giving addressing over here. So let me close this. Double click over this. For DG start we have used Y2 address. Click OK. And here for DG stop we have used Y3 address. Sorry guys, I have mistaken. Now again click to offline simulation. So as you can see, this is the normal condition when mains power is available, mains contactor is on. So now load is fed through this mains contactor and in the normal condition DG is in stop state. Now we will understand all the cases. So first of all, what will happen, that mains power will be gone or mains power is not available. In that case, this contactor will be off instantaneously and after the 5 seconds, that observe this timer T0 and also over here T0. So after the 5 seconds, this controller will give start command to our DG. So let me close this. If I click over here, mains power will be gone. These two are input to our PLCs. So if the input to our PLC is gone like this, you can see it is off and it is checking for 5 seconds. For delay of 5 seconds, now our PLC has given start command to our DG. So now our DG will start, and when the DG will start, the supply through DG will be available. So this is also input to our PLC at X1 position. So when the DG is giving supply, so I will click over here manually right now. So now DG has started giving supply and you can see after the 10 seconds DG contactor will be on because DG has to pick up its full speed. So we have assumed that in 10 seconds it will pick up its full speed and you can see the DG contactor is on now. So now load will get power through this DG contactor. So this is our case 2 when our DG is in operation. Now we will see our case 3 when mains power is available back. In that condition, what should happen? So in that condition, first of all this contactor should be off and after the 2 seconds, this mains contactor will be on. So here you will observe that after the 20, that is 2 seconds, this contactor will be on. This will be off instantaneously and DG will run ideally for some time and then after 10 seconds it will give stop command to DG. And also when the mains power is available, this start command should be gone. So let us do that. So first of all, I will click over here. So it will sense that mains power is available. So let me click over here. As the mains power is available, DG contactor is off and you can see after the 2 seconds, mains contactor has started. Here you can see it has resetted T1 so that DG contactor is off and also DG start command is gone. Now DG is running ideally for some time because it has completed 10 seconds, it has given stop command to our DG. But let me show you again so that you can visualize it properly. So when the DG is off, DG will not give power. So first of all, let me close this. Now again repeat our steps so that we can observe this step properly. So you can see when the mains power is available, this timer is off and also resetted. When it will be gone, so this timer will start and it will give on command to our DG. When the DG start, DG supply will be sensed. This timer will start and after 10 seconds, this T1 will be setted and it will set our contactor Y1. You can see over here. Now again, when the mains power will be available, this timer will start and it will reset DG contactor. So let me do it. You can see mains power is available. After 2 seconds, it has restarted DG contactor, and when the 2 seconds are completed, you can see this 10-second timer to stop command. It has completed this timing and the stop command is given to DG. So when the stop command is available, DG will stop giving power. So friends, this was all about our project of auto mains failure control using PLC. If you want to learn more examples like this, show your interest by liking and subscribing our YouTube channel. Meet you in the next video with another example.